Yeah, that's what I just started. And since this is just a tutorial, I'm not going to finish the edit because I'm having a hard time finding clips. So I start by putting beats on the audio and selecting auto generate, then putting a beat between this for later. Then I use a montage graph and I drag this down to speed 5.0x. Then I remove this and I drag the last one to speed 0.7x. Then I change the smooth slow-mo to better quality. Then I adjusted the length of the clip a bit to match the beat. I simply did the same thing on the next clip. On this part, I shortened it to the beat I put earlier. Then I did the same process as the previous clips. Then I duplicated this clip and I applied reverse. After that, I head back to the first clip. Then I added a keyframe on the start and end. Then I zoomed it to 150% near the end, and I used a cubic out at the start and cubic in graph at the end. On the next clip, I added a keyframe at start. Then I zoomed it by 150%, and I added another at the end. Then I zoomed it out near the end, and I added the same graph. On the next clip, I added another keyframe at the start. Then I zoomed it by 150% at the end. Then I used a cubic out graph. And on the next clip, I added a keyframe at the end. Then I zoomed it to 150% at the start. Then I added cubic out graph also. Then I duplicated it and put it at the same order. I got back to the first clip. Then I added a sudden impact animation. Then I added negative effect and I shortened it to short as possible. Then I put it at the end of the first clip. Then I duplicated it and put it before the original. Then I deleted this. Then I put a negative filter and I adjusted to 100 and I simply aligned it with the effect. And on the next clip, I added a mirror effect and I shortened it to the shortest possible. Then I put it at the end of the clip, then I duplicated it and put 4. Then I deleted the second and fourth and I added an elegant black and white filter and I simply aligned it with the effect. Then I duplicated it again and extended it to match the clip. Then I placed it after the next clip and then on the last. And finally, here's the results. Like and follow for more.